Listen, what is that? Okay, here's a recipe for your new days. In a large bowl, blend willpower and determination well to avoid procrastination, adding a dash of flexibility to accommodate life's delicate variations. In a separate bowl, combine pride, whisk lightly with humility, pour in common sense and sprinkle lightly with adventure. Wash and peel out of depression and bad mood. Salted love and understanding until tender. Mix well and continue cooking gently. Season entire mixture with humor. Bake for 24 hours, testing often and adjusting to the wonder of each new day. Okay, let's just enjoy it. Cheers!